I'm Anthony D'Souza from Ambeli, a neighboring village of Velim Panchayat or Velim village, from where this Xavier Rodriguez Bab, who had contested in Velim constituency for 2022 assembly elections, whom we know recently, maybe around last 6 months, and is making waves because his proximity to the press and being in the BJP, especially the spokesperson. Today I read one article that he has had a meeting with Sadanand Tanawade along with his coterie of some people, and is trying to sell us some goodies by destroying the peace of mind of the Goans. Lollipop diu Xavier Rodriguez. Tuge lollipop amka nakai. Amka zai, demolish the illegal bungalow first. Demolish the illegal bungalow first, amicably. Let us not talk the legal part of that bungalow. Keep the legal part aside. Because I respect the courts. So, in all fairness, it's a sub judice matter would lay to me. So fine, let's not discuss that matter through the court narrative side. But I can definitely tell you, if at times Pramod Sawant Bab can intervene, speak to AGs to get certain decisions done quickly and favorably, I am sure you, along with Sadanand Tanawade Bab, along with Pramod Sawant, you all can come together and convince the people who the bungalow belongs to get it demolished in the interest of the nation, in the interest of Goa, in the interest of Christians, and in the interest of the people of Velim, because the St. Francis Xavier Church is standing on that same land from where you come from. You are so interested in the Catholic community, Christian community. You want to keep the footprints in Velim. You want to keep the footprint by wiping the whole history of Christianity? Do you want to wipe the history of Christianity and keep the footprints of BJP in Velim? We don't want all those lollipops. I am not interested in your employment. I am not interested in your medical. I am not interested in your education part. All these freebies and all this gallery type of talks, not interested. If you really love the Christian community, if you stand for justice, which you told me once, that you stand for justice, and if things are illegal, they will be demolished, then why is the illegal structure still standing high? Stand by it. If you all want, you all can get demolition orders within 24 hours. If you all want, you all can bring ordinances. If you all want, you all can bring amendments. You all can go after a structure which is even more than 70 years old, like Sozalobos. Whereas, if you all want, you all can circumvent a structure like Silisol by bringing more and more amendments and change in laws. If you all want, your chairperson, you all can bring about ordinances overnight. So if you want, you can get this work done. Because justice delayed is justice denied. You want to show the Christian that a BJP government is not communal. You want to show that you don't mix politics with religion. Then what is it? Why is the structure still standing high illegal structure at Old Goa? Why is it standing high? If it is not politics with religion, then what is it? Then what is it? How long are you all going to test our patience? If you all want, you all can open the doors of the court even at 12 o'clock midnight. And if you all want, you all can adjourn the matters for months and years. Why? What are you trying to achieve in Velim? What? No doubt, there will be some Judases in every constituency, every village, who will come with you without questioning you about the illegal structure at Old Goa. There will be some Judases with you. I am telling every person in Velim, every person in Goa, if these people are going to talk to us, that they take all people together, just question them. Why the structure is still standing high in Old Goa? Tell them to get it done amicably. Because law, we know, whole world knows now how the laws will be handled and who is pulling the strings from where. Let the court take its own course. No doubt, we will respect the court verdict. But justice delayed, justice denied. The best thing that Xavier Rodriguez Bab can do before you venture into convincing the Christian communities, whether it is in Veli Panchayat or Veli constituency or in all over Goa, we know what is your agenda. I know your agenda. If you want to disapprove me, get that illegal structure demolished first, amicably. Again I say, amicably. You can do it, I know it. Sadanand Tanawade Bab can do it, I know it. Just to satisfy one person in your higher-ups, you want to hurt the whole of community of Goa. Why do all this? This dramebaz, stop. Enough is enough. So Dev Bara Guru, Xavier Bab, Tanawade Bab, उनका दोगांग बोला मत्ता, including Pramod Bab, please come together. Don't hurt so many people in Goa. It is not only actually the question of Christians, it is the question of all India. I know by delaying techniques, you all are too smart. You all may even bring another ordinance or another amendment or bring about some change in law, or technically you will want to win this matter and you want to see that illegal structure stands high. That's the game. We are ready for it. Thank you very much, Xavier Bab. Please, once again I say, pens down, tools down, get that illegal structure first demolished amicably. Dev Bara Guru.